Hello students, today we are going to look at words ending with ing. And what did we say about these words?
I think they are in present continuous tense. Nze ndowooza biba mu present continuous tense.
What about you, Tom?
Nze ndowooza biba mu past tense.
Okay. These words are in present continuous tense. They talk about things happening now. Byogera kubantu ebiriwo Katie. For example, in a sentence like, I am playing, the verb play is added on ing, which shows that the activity is happening now. So I am playing, it is in present continuous tense. You are listening to music shows that listening to music is happening now. Okay, Tom, can you give me more examples?
She is dancing. She is dancing. Ye ali kuzina. Ye ali kuzina. Another example. They are eating. They are eating.
Bo bali kulya. Bo bali kulya.
Tom is cooking food. Tom is cooking food.
Tom ali kufumba mmere. Tom ali kufumba mmere.
She is washing clothes. She is washing clothes.
Ye ali kwoza ngoye. Ye ali kwoza ngoye.
They are playing volleyball. They are playing volleyball. Bo bali kuzannya volleyball. Bo bali kuzannya volleyball. Mom is watching TV. Mom is watching TV. Mama ali kulaba telefayina. Mama ali kulaba telefayina. Martha is leaving now. Martha is leaving now. Martha ali kuvaawo kati. Martha ali kuvaawo kati.
Okay class, that is it in this lesson. Ndowooza mwina kye muyiseewo. Let's meet up in the next class. Bye bye.